Hello, friends. Welcome to AD Tech, the channel where we teach you easy things with big smiles. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Do you want your very own YouTube channel in 2025? Yes? Great. Today, I will show you how to make one, step by step. It's fun, it's easy, and you can do it too. Let's start now. Step 1. Open your computer, tablet, or phone. Go to your web browser and type www.youtube.com. This is YouTube, a place where people all over the world share videos. You can learn things, sing songs, or just have fun here. Step 2. Now, click the sign in button at the top right. To sign in, you need a Google email. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. You can ask your mom, dad, or teacher to help you make one. It only takes a few minutes. Step 3. Look at the top right again. You will see a small picture or a letter. That's your profile. Click it, then click Settings. This is where you can change or account things. Step 4. Now comes the fun part. Click on Create a Channel. This is how we make your new YouTube home. Don't worry, it's super easy. Just one click. Pause briefly to allow visuals to match. Memo. Step 5. Let's name your channel. Choose a name that you like. It can be fun, cute, or about what you love, like My Fun Channel or Cooking with Joy. Make sure it's easy to spell, and remember, now click Create. Woohoo! Party popper, you did it. Step 6. Time to decorate your channel. Click on Customize Channel. Now add a nice profile picture. You can use a photo of yourself, your logo, or something cool. Then add a big banner at the top. This is like your channel's cover picture. Make it colorful and happy. Step 7. Now let's upload your first video. Click the little camera button with a plus sign, heavy plus sign. Choose your video from your computer or phone. Click Upload. Wait a little bit and done. Outbox tray. Your video is now on YouTube. Yay! Remember, make good videos that are clean, kind, and fun. Don't post anything mean or rude. Be a good YouTuber. Checkered flag. And great job, superstar. Glowing star. You now have your own YouTube channel. If you like this video, click like thumbs up and subscribe bell to AD Tech for more fun and easy videos. Bye-bye.